freebies. Freebies, boys.
Okay, so the first step, we are gonna press rewards. Okay, then we are gonna press food and beverage and gonna filter it out. Right, so after that, we are gonna search it for the Auntie Anne's pretzel because we want freebies, right? And we can see it right there. We are just gonna purchase and gonna confirm. Yeah.
Excuse me, can I use Grab? Yeah.
Original.
Yeah, original.
I only have.
Look at these, boys. Yay, freebies.
Okay, so we are gonna start with the same way. Go Dairy Queen, get the free ice cream, redeem, and confirm. Okay.
Use this. Can? Thank you. Wait, one more. Yeah. Freebies, boys.